Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review, and I'm going to start off with the dollar. And one thing I want to highlight here is the relative strength index. Right now, a lot of folks follow this as far as overall strength in the market. However, one thing to note here is that from this low point in the RSI was 28.51, which is the low point. And then over here on this lower low was 29.19. Point out, as far as the dollar is concerned, this is what they call a divergence, which means it could potentially build up enough strength to go higher. Now, as of Friday, we had a basic harami, or a lot of indecision during that time period as far as the overall dollar, and markets were fluctuating pretty significantly, not only in the US but around the world. So we're at a critical inflection point here for the dollar and overall market direction. Looking at natural gas, it seems to be going up pretty significantly. Starting on Tuesday, took a little pause on Friday, but starting on Tuesday, continued up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all the way up to the Z3 excursion here. So oil is also gaining strength, and as you can see here, we have a new target of 80.26, which is pretty much up here beyond the RL270 and the 200 and the Z3. 2-year looks a little toppy, and it seems to be kind of peeling out with this major doji here and selling volume here as well. 20-year also taking a little retracement, 5-year as well, and the 10-year. Looking at the Russell, it's currently at the point figure support zone here, and it's kind of holding up its own right here. We'll see if we'll continue to go higher, but we got a lot of selling volume here. Gold as well, same with the dollar, critical inflection point. It is crowded long, so we could have more potential based on this exhaustion candle here to the downside. S&P 500 also kind of rolling over, along with the NASDAQ. It's got a long ways to go here to hit this point figure support zone at 15,708. And then the Dow is also rolling over. It's pretty close to its point figure there, but we'll see if it continues to roll over. Looking at the trades for the week at Beto, initial loss here, at overall gain on Friday, however, loss for the week of $450. Thank you. Overall loss on here on Wednesday, but nice gain here on Friday, $410. Natural gas, like I mentioned before, really nice gain here. We had pre-market reversal, and then on Friday, and then a small loss of $10 here on Wednesday. So overall gain for the week, $3,580 for natural gas. Cure, wonderful gain here. Biggest gainer for the week. Loss here, then overall gain on Friday for the week, $5,330. DDM, gain here, but loss overall here. But for the week, $309 gain. DIG, gain here, overall loss here. This was a pre-market reversal. Got this particular gain. Overall loss for the week, though, of $310. DRIP, overall gain of $40. DRN, overall loss of $580. Dust, a couple of gains before the weekend. $100 for the week. ERX, same like DIG. However, this was not a pre-market reversal, so we didn't get that gain. Overall loss for the week, $1,160. ERY, overall loss on Tuesday, $360. FAS, again consolidating but still strong. Flat for the week, loss of $10. Loss here on Wednesday, gain on Friday. GDXD, a couple gainers of $50 for the week. Gush, overall loss for the week, $1,980. India, overall loss for the week, $100. JDST, overall gain about $110. LabU, loss on Wednesday, gain on Friday. Loss for the week of $2,990. Noble, overall loss for the week is $630. Pill, overall gain for the week, $110. SCO, overall gain for the week here, and then a loss here of $310 for the week. SQQQ, overall loss of $40. SVIXI, overall gain for the week of $370. TechS, overall gain of $30. UDOW, overall loss of $870. UTSL, overall gain of $1,080 for the week. XPI, overall loss on Wednesday, gain on Friday, loss for the week of $550. XLE, same as dig. Pre-market reversal, nice gain here on Wednesday. Then I'll give back loss for the week of $570. And ZSL, loss for the week $30. Interesting week, especially on Tuesday and Friday. Were major gainers, and then your drawdown days were a lot of consolidation happening during this week. So we're basically flat for the week after all those trades. Overall gain of $1,280. So not much going on for the week since everything was consolidating. Pretty much, I think everybody is still on vacation with the short week all the way till next week, and we'll see what happens next week. Looking at world markets, Australia is turning over. Swiss is consolidating. It's still strong. China is turning over. And what this looks like is another collapsing dragon. We could have, even though it had a nice target here of 11,749, this could roll over. If it goes below this low point fractal, it could continue on down to the Z3. Spain, pretty much flat. Euro's kind of turning over. Same with France. Look at Japan, still consolidating with some major wicks here in terms of volatility and consolidation. Netherlands turning over. Singapore also turning around. Then the UK is starting to turn over. We'll see if this downturn continues. Looking at the Magnificent Seven, definitely turned over here on Apple. Same with Amazon, Google. Meta's turned around even after that $500 million sale of stock from the owner Zuckerberg. Netflix is still turning over. Nvidia is showing signs of life, coming back to life here. And Tesla's still on a retracement period here. Looking at the yield, a little bit of up move here. However, if this turns around, it's another collapsing dragon, which would take us to the Z3 below here at 4%. Same with the 5-year, 10-year, 20-year, showing a little signs of strength here on the 10-year and 20-year. Looking at 30-year also as well. So 10-year, 20-year, and 30-year yields all up. Showing this fire pan bottom. We'll see if it's got any legs to go up higher. Looking at Bitcoin, we got a new target of 51,213 to the upside. Still waiting that ETF approval. However, consolidating in preparation for a potential ETF approval. Folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. We're currently conducting a basic course, advanced course, and operations course. We also do programming in both PineScript or Python and auto trading. And if you want to learn anything about positioning in terms of the commitment of traders, we'll hat tip to Crowd Market Report below and click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.